The Buxa Tiger Reserve lies in the northern part of West Bengal, spread over an area of 759 square kilometers, including a core area of 315 square kilometers. Its longitude is from 89 degrees 25 minutes east to 89 degrees 55 minutes east, and the latitude is from 23 degrees 30 minutes north to 23 degrees 50 minutes north. Its northern boundary runs along the international border with Bhutan. The eastern boundary touches that of the state of Assam. National Highway number 31C runs roughly along this southern boundary. It is the easternmost extension of the extremely biodiverse northeast of India and represents the highly endemic Indo-Malayan region. The Buxa Tiger Reserve serves as an international corridor between India and Bhutan for Asian elephant migration. The Buxa Tiger Reserve was created in 1983 as the 15th Tiger Reserve of India. The pug mark symbol of the tiger greets you at the entrance to the Tiger Reserve. Unbound wilderness awaits you inside. The Buxa Tiger Reserve contains a large number of perennial or semi-perennial rivers and rivulets like Chipra, Dima, Raidak, Shonkosh, Jayanti and others that carry fresh water through the reserve for the survival of the vast and unique biodiversity. Most of these rivers originate in the Himalayas of Bhutan and drain into the river Teesta. You can enjoy their turbulent gurgling as well as its serene calmness. The Buxa Tiger Reserve is not a homogeneous habitat or ecosystem. Owing to different elevations, topographical factors, and hydrological regime, a large number of microhabitats have been created, which support a mosaic of life forms. The bounty of nature in the Buxa Tiger Reserve provides its dense cover of lush, green natural forests, extending over 57% of the area, containing huge varieties of floral components. The reserve encompasses many forest types. One can trek on nature's trail, ideally through such tall trees, and enjoy the wildlife in the wilderness. Buxa is not known only for its natural beauty or its wild plants and animals. The special attraction inside the Buxa Tiger Reserve are the ruins of the historic Buxa Fort. This fort was used as a detention camp for the Indian freedom fighters during the independence movement. The Buxa Tiger Reserve glows with bouquets of flowers in different seasons, including magnificent orchids. During spring, Buxa exhibits a riot of floral colors as each flowering plant exposes its uniqueness to invite its animal pollinator for successful propagation. Varieties of heterotrophic short-living fungi that mostly flourish during monsoon are also found in Buxa. All these variabilities offer innumerable ecological microclimates for better consumer sustainability. Large numbers of vertebrates also roam in the different nooks and corners of this vast expanse of forest reserve. The main species include the Asian elephant, tiger, gaur, wild boar, sambar, and other animals. The presence of about 30 tigers in the Buxa Tiger Reserve has been reported. Apart from tigers, animals like elephants, bears, civets, giant squirrels, cheetahs, clouded leopards, wild buffaloes, antelopes, Chinese pangolins, and snakes, including the regal python, are found here. It has been reported that 73 species of mammals, 76 species of snakes, 5 species of amphibians inhabit this stretch of forest reserve. About 284 species of birds and innumerable butterflies add color to the forest. The Buxa Tiger Reserve has the highest number of fish species in the North Bengal region. More than 70% of the animal diversity is contributed by the insects, and the same is true in the Buxa Tiger Reserve also. The larval stages and the adults in many insects have differential food habits and possess adequate adaptive measures for the same. Insects in Buxa may survive in extreme diverse microhabitats like animal dung, such as the dung beetle, or the cerambicid beetles in the heartwood of timber. They provide valuable ecological services like decomposition of organic matter, recycling of nutrients, pollination, maintenance of the food chain, control of the prey species population, energy flow through various trophic levels and other activities. Predatory beetles and bugs are also abundant in the Buxa Tiger Reserve. The creation of progeny for continuance of a living species is one of the tenets of life, and insects are no exception to that. They all copulate to produce fertilized eggs for reproductive success. The development of suctorial proboscis in the butterflies has enhanced their chances of survivability by avoiding competition in resource gathering. Displaying of morphological coloration is very common in various insects, both in immatures and the adults. Such acts of display or camouflaging may be for protective, aggressive purposes, or may be for mate selection. Insects, like other herbivores, love to congregate on natural salty outcrops to quench their thirst. Special kind of adaptations are found in the praying mantis and the unique mantis fly, in which the forepart of the body looks like a mantis and the hind part looks like a wasp. Few individuals of the mantis fly could be recorded in the Tiger Reserve. Buxa Tiger Reserve is home to many endemic insect species, mostly bugs, cicadas, and beetles. Longhorn or round-headed borers and cerambicids are often serious pests for a large number of forest trees, logs, and timber. At times, they play a beneficial role in reducing dead or dying trees and broken branches to humus. Adults are mostly active in June and July, or in August and September. The dung beetles have high economic potential. They are also known as the ecosystem engineer. 86 species of dung beetles have been recorded at the Buxa Tiger Reserve. Their distribution is very limited. Any alteration to their habitat, including their host plants, may endanger their existence. The diversity of 8-legged spiders in the Tiger Reserve is also very high. Many of them are endemic to India or the region. Some spiders have been discovered as new to science or have been recovered after more than 100 years. Buxa hosts the second Tiger Reserve in West Bengal and is proud of its unique positional benefits. Variations in climate, environment, forest type, soil type, topography, altitude, and other related factors has provided the Buxa Tiger Reserve the opportunity of supporting a large variety of biodiversity. Thousands of plant and animal species have been reported from this region, some of which are endemic. It is heartening to note that even in the 21st century, Buxa continues to spring surprises, including the discovery of species new to science or their rediscovery after a century. It has been understood that various anthropogenic activities, including depletion, alteration, and fragmentation of forests, are casting their evil effects on the biota at the Buxa Tiger Reserve. The creation of this tiger reserve thus provides necessary protection to the depleting stock of all available bioresources. Conservation management practices encompass both preservation and rational use of bioresources. Effective and successful conservation practices, through people's participation only, can be implemented. To achieve this target, it is a prerequisite to generate awareness on the availability and the utility of natural resources, and also to provide alternative livelihood amongst the primary stakeholders. Let us hope for the prosperity of the Buxa Tiger Reserve and the people of North Bengal for posterity.